everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to wipe the cache partition on your Samsung phone. So swipe on down from the top right and let's go to power. And select power and go to power off. Power off right here, and now your phone is going to be completely powered off. Now to enter the recovery mode, you specifically want to have a USB cable connected to your PC or laptop, and then plug into your phone when it's turned off. Now wait for this symbol to pop up that says it's charging, and hold down the power button and the volume up. Now you could try, like I heard headphones work for some reason, back the TV, a PlayStation, Xbox, somewhere that charges it with USB. But on Samsung it says you actually need a PC, but you can try a different source. Then hold down these buttons, power button, volume up. Now it probably won't work right away. Wait about 10 to 15 seconds holding this down. If it doesn't work and bring up the Samsung screen, I'll release it and then press those two buttons down again. And then here it is. And then we can unplug this so it's not goofy. Then use the volume down and press left with the power button. And we want to go to wipe data, not wipe data factory reset. We want to go to wipe cache partition right here. And then select that. So let's go to this right now. Go to yes. Okay, now it's doing its thing and wipe everything that was wiped on that, and then we can just reboot the system. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave that big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.